So back at the camper, and packed up the breakables. Put my plank here so I can walk around safely. So today what I'm doing is taking out the framing in here that was uncovered, cleaning up the insulation, and then spraying some of the rust inhibitor. I have a visitor right here. You can see her. It's my friend's cat. She can hang here. I don't care. What are you doing? And also, I found my speaker that I thought I lost. I left it here apparently. I wonder if it's dead. So right now I'm just getting rid of breakable stuff and putting things away, because the exciting news is that the camper is going to be moving to its lot. So today all this framing comes up, clean up the metal, and I am getting the crusher dust ordered right now. Wow, this is a flattering angle. Look, little waddles. Ooh, that's what happens as we age. Little waddles. Not that I care, obviously. So yeah, it's just a short little blurb, because I've been here since Saturday. It's Monday. I decided to take the weekend off and just decompress and prep myself to work this week. I gave myself some extra time, so I got here on the 16th. I'm leaving on the 24th. So, bye!